Hi, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a really great news for all Chainlink and special message of CEO of Chainlink, my friend, for holders now. This is only for holder of Chainlink, so kindly listen, understand, please, and if you understand, so I hope my brother you will be get a very good profits now. Please, my friend, before I get started this video, please like video and subscribe this channel for more of this type informative and urgent updates video. This time, my brother, the chain occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all chain occurring positive now, and that's a really great news, my brother, for all of you to the chain occurring will be positive now. Let's see, my brother, what's the price prediction. The man, my friend, you can see here the main point is absolutely here now. So definitely, my friend, after a short phase, they will take a jump and absolutely they will move in upward direction. All currency, my brother, were pales down, especially in previous days, but definitely, my friend, from last 10 days of this last month, my brother, absolutely channeling will moving in upward and upward and upward now. And today, my brother, absolutely they will moving in upward direction. So it's a really good news for all of you to the price will be increasing now. Holders, one thing I want to say for all holder, my friend, the CEO told this, my brothers, to upcoming time we will collaborate a lot of companies now, and I don't know, my brothers, to win companies, but absolutely he said this to we will collaborate a lot of companies. So if they will come collaborate, my friend, with companies, so there is 100% chance to upcoming time, my friends, they will moving in upward direction and they will give you a profit. So please don't miss this chance. Get a chance and take, my friend, absolutely, if you take a risk, so definitely you will be get a profit now. My brother, my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and hope, my brother, you will be also share your opinion. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.